Hey everyone, it's Melissa Z with the Melissa Z Group. I'm here with Anita Rich from the Rich Group with Compass, and we are so excited to tell you about our new listing.
Let me tell you about 2950 Dona, Emilia. We've got a lot that's over 12,000 square feet, a home a little under 3,000. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, swimmer's pool, amazing huge yard. The house is totally quiet and beautiful inside, high beam ceilings, gourmet kitchen. You've got to come and see this. When can they see it?
We will be here Saturday 1 to 4. Sunday we're having a huge party. 1 to 4 we are serving
Tacos, margaritas, Pellegrinos, whatever you want. Come on down. But do let us know. Call us 818-632-2258.
and Melissa Z 310-309-0099.